Hello guys, how to fix if you are facing incoming call always busy error on your iPhone? To fix this issue, the first workaround is tap on settings and here look for phone app, tap on phone and scroll down and first one is silence unknown callers. If it is on, then turn off silence unknown caller. This is thereafter go to back and also tap on blocked contacts, and if any contact is blocked and you have added under blocked number, then unblock it. For example, if one contact you have added, here is how to block a contact. Add unknown mobile number is duly blocked. Now slide right to left, slide right to left and choose unblock. Now your phone is unblocked and incoming call busy error